Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online, where today I will show you how to create a view in Airtable. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data you need to organize, or if you've struggled with finding the best way to visualize your projects, then you've landed in the right place. Airtable's flexibility allows you to tailor views to meet your specific needs, making data management not only efficient, but also visually appealing. Now, let's dive right into the process of creating a view in Airtable step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Airtable account. If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to a workspace. This is essentially the area where your tables are organized. For example, let's say you have a workspace dedicated to project management. Click on that workspace and wait for it to load completely. Once your workspace has loaded, turn your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll notice a section labeled Create. Below this, you'll find various types of views you can create, such as Grid, Calendar, Gallery, and Kanban. Each of these views serves different purposes. For instance, a grid view is excellent for detailed data entry and manipulation, while a calendar view helps in visualizing dates and timelines. If you're interested in advanced views like Timeline or Gantt, keep in mind that these require a team plan subscription. However, for today, we'll focus on creating a simple view. Let's say you want to set up a Kanban view, which is fantastic for managing workflow and tracking progress visually. Click on Kanban, and you'll have the option to edit the name of your view. This flexibility allows you to customize it according to your needs. Next, you'll choose whether the view is collaborative or personal. If you want your entire team to have access to this view, select Collaborative. On the other hand, if this view is just for your personal use, choose Personal. After making your selection, click on Create New View, and just like that, you've created a new Kanban view under your personal or collaborative views. When you create a Kanban view, Airtable will prompt you to select a field to stack your projects on. This could be a single select field, a collaborator field, or a linked record field, depending on your preference. For example, you might create a new single select field and give it a descriptive name. Once you've set this up, simply hit the blue button to confirm. Now, you're ready to start organizing your tasks. You can add columns to your Kanban board like To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can then move your project cards between these columns as your tasks progress. This visual workflow makes it easy to see where everything stands at a glance. This tutorial helped you understand how to create a view in Airtable quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to create a view in Airtable, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all the latest tips and tricks to make the most out of your Airtable experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on PMN Online.